Hi everyone, Windows Fixer here with a tutorial on changing the date and time in Windows 10. This is useful if your clock is off or if you need to change time zones. First, right-click on the clock in the System tray, that's the bottom right corner of your screen, and select Adjust Date on Time. This opens the date and time settings. If you want Windows to handle time automatically, make sure Set Time Automatically is toggled on. It's usually the best option. But if you need to set it manually, turn that off. Then click the Change button under Set the Date and Time Manually. A small window will appear where you can set the date and time. Once you've entered the correct information, click Change. Also, in the date and time settings, you can set your time zone under Time Zone. This is important for accurate timekeeping, especially if you travel. Choose your correct time zone from the drop-down menu. That's all there is to it.